So this is our old tap, and we want to change it to the newer quarter turn one. So that's old one, and we have got the new one ordered from eBay, and I think should be okay. So we're going to have a close look later on. That for £10. To remove the old tap knob, so we have this type, and there's a screw in the middle, and we can pull it off. So firstly, we need to remove this plastic cap on the top. You can use a screwdriver. I think if you use your nail, it should be okay. Say it looks like this. And then inside there, you can see there's the cross screw. You can just use a screwdriver to get that screw out. So that's the screw. So firstly, turn the water supply off before you're removing this. And after you remove this, and you can just shake, it's just a pull out. So that's the old knob. And then we have the cartridge, the valve. So to remove the valve, we're going to use a spanner just anti-clockwise, and then can remove it. So that's the old valve with the rubber washer on the top. Here is our new valve. You can just open it. So it's a ceramic quarter turn with a handle for £10. So if you look at these two, they are very similar, and the height is very similar. So we can try to install new one. For the new one, you can see there's the cap here, and also plastic. So you can take the cap off. And inside there's the screw. We can take it out, and then the valve. The screw, the handle, and the cartridge, quarter turn. For the new valve, you can see we have a rubber seal, rubber O-ring here, and we have a seal on the top. So this will seal the water, and then this valve, when you try to open it, will open up, and here water coming out from here water coming in, and here water coming out. So that's, yeah. And also there are cold water and hot water. They're just turned into different direction to open or close, but you can interchange them if you like the other way around, because they're all can have the water up to 90 degrees. So it doesn't matter whether it's red or blue. They're all same specification. To install the new quarter turn valve, you just put it in, and use a finger to get the thread in, and then use a spanner, give it a little bit resistance. This should be okay. It don't need to be very tight, because this is only water. That should be okay. After you tighten the valve, you can install the handle. So the handle could be in any position because they're just spline like this one. You see the spline over here. You can see I can put this position, I can put to this position, so that position. But if we put it to that position, this handle just be in the way when you swipe this. So I think we'd better just install its closed position like this and open position like this. So because I want this is a closed position and that is open position, I just swapped between the blue and red so that the closed and open position is alright. They're just opposite. So this is a closed position, that's open position. And on the other side is going to be the same. At the lower side is closed position, at the level side is open position. So after you decided the position and make the valve just right, make sure when it's open then it's a closed position, and just put the handle in and get this screw into there, and then use a screwdriver. Don't need to be too tight. Yeah, a little bit resistant should be okay. And finally you have the cap. So just put the cap, plastic cap on the top over there. So that's it. So it's a relatively easy job. So you can have the closed position and open position. So in the same way we can do the cold water. So now I have finished both types of installation. One note is that this a little bit high. After I have that screw tightened, a little bit of rub when you turn this on and off. So I just put another piece of a rubber. I just cut it a small round and make a small hole, and just put on the top of this spline end, and then I put this on, and now it is okay. You can turn the not rub against that base. So now it is okay. So cold water, hot water, and that the closed position and you open position, so you can open it very easily. And this is hot water, open position, closed position. It's much easier than this. You have to turn a lot. So it's old kitchen tap, but we have the new quarter turn valves and handles. I think it's an easy job, and it's going to be much convenient to turn this on and off. So much easier, much hygiene, I think so. That's before we change it, because it's hot water. If you use it for a long time, when you try to close it, it seems closed, and after a while it's going to drip, 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 drip. You have to tighten the hot water tap again. So hopefully this ceramic quarter turn tap won't do that. That's the main reason we want to have this change. And also you can see this is pretty much worn. So it looks better with newer handle.